How to install Google Chrome in laptop and PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To install your Google Chrome in your laptop or PC, you can launch your preferred browser in your device. Now in the search bar, you can search for Chrome installer. Over here in the first suggestion, you will see download Google Chrome. Tap on the suggested link. This will redirect you to your Chrome. Now over here you will see this download Chrome button, which you can tap to download in your laptop or PC. It will also know which is the exact format for your Chrome or your PC. If you have your Windows 11 or 10 with 64-bit, this version of Chrome is for you. Now, if you need your Chrome for your phone as well, you can just scan this QR code from your mobile device and get it in your mobile as well. Now just tap on download Chrome, and just like any other application, it will require a couple of seconds to be installed. After which you will get yourself your private Google Chrome in your laptop and PC. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.